Situated in Turfentine is the Robinson Deep landfill site. It is the largest and oldest landfill in the city and has been in operation since 1933.
The city of Johannesburg generates about 1.6 million tons of waste per annum, and the city has about 4 operational landfill sites, and combined these operational landfill sites are left with about 3 years of airspace.
There is a critical need for waste reduction in the city. Existing landfills are fast running out of airspace. The city devised a plan, an energy reduction plan.
So the Alternative Waste Treatment Technology project was initiated to ensure that the city divert its waste away from the landfill site and to adhere to the target that has been set in the Integrated Waste Management Plan of 30% of waste must be diverted away from the landfill site.
The city of Johannesburg is working towards an ambitious goal of reducing waste by 30%, focusing on strategies like reuse, recycle, and waste prevention.
And this project will also assist to create electricity. As we know, South Africa has a challenge of load shedding. And also this project will bring about 400 jobs within the waste sector, waste management operations.
Helping myself and my family, all of us in my family, help us so lot.
On this side, we're doing landfill gas to electricity project, where we make use of methane to generate electricity. From the landfill side, we drill boreholes about 20 meters deep. We put in perforated pipes, and then we close the top of the perforated with a bentonite so that there's no foreign air going inside. Then we use a gas extractor to extract the gas from the landfill site. Because the gas is warm, there's condensation inside the pipes, and then we get liquid. And then we put in knockout posts to displace the liquid from the gas. Then from the flare, we have a system where we clean the gas to make sure that we don't have dust particles. And then once we separate the gas and clean the gas, we send the gas to a generator. We have generators which are running on landfill gas.
Behind me is the site where the Alternative Waste Treatment Technology project will be constructed. The city has already procured the site. We have received the permission to occupy and build.
Climate change impacts rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, with projections indicating a potential 2 to 3 degrees increase by mid-century. South Africa is transitioning towards a greener economy, with focus on renewable energy and a commitment to net zero emissions.
So the city has set targets in their climate action adaptation plan of about 28% of greenhouse gas emissions should be reduced. So this project will assist the city to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. About 20% of the greenhouse gas emission will be reduced within the implementation of this project.
Most of the organic waste that we produce ends up at a landfill and it's not utilized for something else. So the biodigester is going to actually take that organic waste and process it. They're going to be taking the moisture out of it. They're going to be making biodiesel out of it at a later point in time. There's another pilot project that's on the plan at the moment. The biodigester plant that's going to go up, where they're going to be building or manufacturing biodiesel.
Behind here, we'll be developing, constructing a biogas plant where we'll be treating our food waste away from the Joburg Fresh Produce Market. So this biodigester plant will be treating about 50 tons of organic waste, food waste from Joburg Fresh Produce Market, and this will be generating the biofuel, and that biofuel will be used by our metro buses.
Robinson Landfill is set to transform lives by integrating informal workers while advancing sustainable waste management.
The project will also have a material recovery facility. We have informal waste pickers that assist the city in terms of recycling and diverting the waste away from the landfill site. So with this project, we are aiming to have that material recovery facility that will employ about 400 waste pickers that will be doing the manual sorting within the material recovery facility, because we do take cognizance that this project, we need the waste pickers to assist in terms of diverting that waste. And also as a city, we are mindful of not taking away their livelihood, because all the waste pickers depend upon this waste picking operations. So as a city, we are trying to include and incorporate them within the Alternative Waste Treatment Technology project.
At the end of the day, the tonnages that go in is eating up our airspace.
As the project manager, I am responsible to ensure that this project is implemented according to the set deliverables, and this project is implemented within the timelines and within the resources that are allocated within the project.